Okay, if you're anything like me, I understand that you do not have the time to invest in a long-winded video, so I'm gonna keep this short and sharp and cut straight to the point. I want to show you how to generate more leads in a single month than most agents generate in an entire year, without chasing strangers, spending multiple hours on social media, or posting content that absolutely goes nowhere. It all comes down to a simple set and forget system that any agent can implement in less than 30 days. As you can see on the whiteboard behind me, we've got the 4 pillars. We have organic content, paid ads, SMS and email marketing, and then flyer drops or print media. These 4, I'm sure we can all agree, are the 4 main core pieces of marketing that most agents do to generate new business. Now, what I want to show you here is how you can integrate all 4 of these into one central marketing ecosystem. Something that will do all the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is organize it, which is also what we can help you with. The first pillar is organic content. And all you need are 2 different types of content. One piece of content is to show people that you're great at what you do. Think posting your listings and sales, etc. The second piece of content, which is super important, and that is showing people your personality and character. My first warning, you need to stop posting for the sake of posting and start creating content that gets people to know, like, and trust you. Not only does it keep your audience more engaged, but it makes social media a whole lot more easy to manage. The second pillar is paid ads. And every agent needs a low-cost advertising strategy on social media. The keyword there is low cost. You don't have to spend bucket loads of cash on social media ads. And this pillar needs to focus on 2 things also. Number 1, you need to introduce yourself to people who haven't met you yet. There is a ton of people in your area who have no idea you exist. We need to first and foremost make sure they know who you are. And then the second thing is making sure that you're staying top of mind in your database. You're probably thinking, hold on, database, social media, how do they connect? Well, here's the catch. You can actually export your database, import it as a custom audience on social media, and you can actually target them through social media. How good is that? It is by far the best way to reactivate cold leads. You can follow them around the internet and consistently remind them of you being their agent before they need an agent. The third pillar is SMS and email marketing, the sleeping giant in real estate marketing right now, without a doubt, is SMS marketing. The open rates are massive, and email, please don't sleep on this either. With the right strategy, this can really boost your profile up very quickly. Once a month, all you need to do is send market insights and suburb updates to your database through SMS and email. Don't worry, we'll give you all the scripts and templates of what you need to do so. Again, this is a very good way to reignite cold leads and dead leads in your database. But it also helps capture silent followers, people who just open emails here and there but actually don't communicate with you regularly. All done without any cold calling or even interrupting people's day. The fourth pillar is flyer drops. The number 1 thing that built the industry to where it is today. It still works. Don't believe all this bullshit you're seeing floating around social media at the moment. Flyer drops don't work. If you consistently target your area with flyer drops, I promise you your brand, your profile, your lead generation will go through the roof with the right strategy, which is what I'm gonna walk you through. You need to regularly letterbox drop your area with instant updated price checks. This means you need to attach a QR code to your flyers that homeowners can scan to get an instant price estimate on their home. Not only does this keep your presence visible in your local market, but it actually creates new listing opportunities, particularly from homeowners who may not even be thinking of selling just yet. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie all of these 4 in together. You wanna push them all into one central ecosystem, as I mentioned. Now here's the final piece of the puzzle. A predictable lead flow system that ties all of this together. So every single organic post that you put out has your lead flow system attached to it. Every paid ad attaches to your lead flow system. SMS and email links back to your lead flow system. And guess what? Your flyer drops with a QR code inside your lead flow system attaches everything back to that as well. And what this lead flow system is a tool that provides people with automated appraisals or instant price estimates for their property. Provides market insights, suburb information, as well as a price estimate for renting and selling their property. It's all real-time live data. It's not delayed data like you see in all these other reports. It's real-time active live data. And it gives people exactly what they want, when they want it, without creating any friction by communicating with you. Let's face it, people want to know the value of their property. They want to know market insights. They want information at their fingertips. But what they don't want is to actually speak to you to get it. So stop forcing friction between yourself and homeowners build trust, build value, and create a fair value exchange in the process. A tool just like Pocket Appraisal does all of that heavy lifting for you. It's a prospecting operating system, prospecting OS, that integrates with all of these pillars and funnels homeowners' information and addresses straight into your inbox on a monthly basis. Now, I promise you, you do this for 3 months straight, and you'll see your social media, your database, and your local marketing start working for you, not the other way around. Click a call below this video and I'll run you through the set and forget blueprint that turns your 4 pillars into a consistent and predictable flow of leads and listings. See you on the other side.